All right. Okay, good evening, everyone. As you come in, don't forget to smash that like button. Sorry for the delay. We are, what, 6 minutes late? Yeah, I was running into traffic jam just earlier, so I'm very apologize about that. So we are late, but we are back at it. So welcome to Forex Talk over beer. This is a pretty simple but fun concept. So basically, we're gonna crack up a beer. This is a beer you choose during the pre-show on Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, don't forget to do so. The link is in the description. And yeah, so basically this is the beer you guys choose. This is called Clock Was Ticking. This is a double IPA, and this is 8%. Looks pretty nice. And we got the glass that goes with it. Same microbrewery. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy that beer. So basically, whoa, sorry, I just knocked down my mic. Sorry, guys. So basically, we're gonna crack up this beer. We're gonna do a cheer. So I want to make sure you guys got a drink with you. So go get a drink right now. So it can be orange juice, can be water, it can be wine, it can be beer, it can be shots, it can be whatever. And I say orange juice because maybe you're watching the replay, because I know many of you watch the replay during the week or whatever when you do it. But hey, do a cheers with me, okay? I really enjoy when you guys send me picture of having a cheers with me. So basically, I'm gonna crack up the beer. So first thing first, and the concept of this show is really simple. We're gonna go over trades that we took this week. We're gonna go over Q&As, and yeah, it's gonna be fun and relaxed. So we're gonna talk about Forex. So, and sometimes we talk about gossip. This is the only place where we talk, some random stuff. So anyways, I'm about to do a cheers with you. So I really want to see some people taking pictures, putting on Instagram, tagging my name, and I will reshare it. Okay. So make sure you're ready to go and snap that picture, because in a couple seconds, we're going to do that. Take it easy on, oh, hello, Fortnite feed. Hello. What's up, coach? What's up, Frank? What's up, Francis? What's up, Mike? Take it easy on me. Okay, what you did again? What you did again that I didn't see? You scared me now. All right, so guys, don't forget to smash that like button. All right, so let's do that. Cheers in 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. All right, so if you didn't snap that picture, just rewind a couple of seconds, snap the picture, bam, post it on Instagram, and I will reshare that. All right, got my beer. All right, Nick, cheers, man. Cheers. What's up, Rages? What's up, guys? Cheers. This is so good. Wow. I just want to make sure I rated this beer. And if you guys know Untap is an app that you can rate beers. So if you want to follow me, let me know. Oh, I didn't rate that one. What? This is amazing beer. Let's go. Bam. So we're gonna rate that because this is freaking good. Oh yeah, this is really good. So let's go. This is a 4.5. Oh yeah, easy 4.5. So all right, this is done. All right, so cheers. Let's get going with this episode. So we're gonna break down trades. Anyone here tried out my Forex funds? No clue what it is. Good night, Sasha. Good night, Nuno. Hey, what's up, Nuno? So by the way, guys, the Zoom session is open to everyone this week. The only thing you need to do is go on my free Telegram. The link is in the description. And if you click on that, you click on the Zoom link, boom, you're on our private Zoom. The only thing is tomorrow, I announced that I was actually streaming tomorrow. I might not be able to stream tomorrow morning. I might be able to be on Zoom. It all depends on my cell phone connection, because somebody else is going to be driving, so I'm going to be able to be on the computer, but I have no clue if the cell phone connection is going to be good enough to share the connection with my laptop. So we'll see. So we'll see about that tomorrow morning. So yeah, I got to go somewhere for work, so I might not be able to stream tomorrow morning. So we'll see. All right, so let's talk about the trade from this morning. All right, so you guys ready? All right, let's talk about this swing trade here. Swing trade is gone at break even. I closed 75% of the 70 or 70, 75 or 70. I can't remember, but whatever, 70 or 75%. I closed it around the 500 level when I saw break of structure here on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, when I saw this coming up here and breaking this kind of, it was not a double bottom, but I see this was not able to create a new low. So I was like, you know what, let's secure some profit. So I secured some profit around this area. It was like around 9-ish p.m. Eastern. So I closed like 70. I mean, I was, we're getting close to this full TP here, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. This was a swing attempt on my end. So I'm going to have to journal this. So that's why I'm leaving this on my screen. And yeah, so anyway, so let's talk about anyone here? Okay, I answered that. All right, so let's talk about today. Today, man, holy, what a session, right? So let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Maybe let's talk about. Hey, cheers, guys. Okay, so let's see. So basically, let me just make sure that this is on, right? Let's see. Okay, perfect. We're good, right? We are good. Are we good? All right, perfect. All right, let's get going. All right, so now looking at this, price came down. If you look at the 4 hours, right? So if you look at the 4 hours, price came straight down. We got no retracement whatsoever on that drop from there to there, right? So that at one point, I mean, price needs to retrace up. So the goal this morning was to go retrace in that H4 golden zone. So if you put your fib from here to here, it's going to give you this golden zone, right? So the idea was kind of counter trend this trend here to go up to this golden zone. But I came on the chart around like 6:40 a.m. and there was only a nice entry earlier, which was at 6 a.m. Yeah, right here. So as you see, price came up here. We got this zone right here. And price broke this area, which on 30 minutes, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, right here. So on 30 minutes, broke this area, which is also the 750 QP. Let me just put this right here. So kind price went up, retest this area, and back up, right? So the entry would be like right here at 6. What was that? Give me one sec. Are you good, dude? What did you do? All right, dog's got, I don't know what it was doing. Actually, sorry, I was looking at 1 hour, but it was on the 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes broke this area, came down, retest. Here we go. So this is the 6 a.m. candle right here at 6:30. Sorry, so 6:30 a.m. was the entrance, was the pretty good entrance. You can wait for the break of the eye if you want to safer trade, but I would be willing to enter on this opening of the candle right here. But after that, but I was not in front of the computer at this time. So after that, price went up. So what I was looking to maybe price to create a new high, come down in the golden zone and come back up. Never did. It actually did a break and retest here. But by the time the candle was all the way there, I mean, yeah, it was kind of tricky, right? Where was that entry? Give me one sec. Can we see? Can we go further? Let me see here. No, okay, sorry. I was trying to Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. So what we did was here. Where was it? It was this one, right? Give me one sec. Let me check the entry right now. I don't know why I removed it from my computer, from the screen. History. This was 151, 148. 151. Let's place a line. 151, 148. Kind of right here. So this was the entry. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. That was on this 1 hour. Okay, so perfect. Okay, so that was right here. So all right, so price came up here, and price came down, reject the golden zone, and start pushing up. So this is on the break of the high. I was actually I took it a little earlier, this one. I took it, it didn't even broke yet. I was a little too quick on the trigger. I took it on the break of the high of the 30-minute right here, which is was the, where is it? Hold on, sorry. Right here, 7. Wait a second. What time was that? Sorry guys for the confusion here. What time was that? 8:44. 8:44. 8:44. Oh yeah, that was right here. Sorry guys for the confusion. Yeah, you're right, because Mike told me you like to enter 15 minutes before the close of the 4 hours. So now I remember. Yeah, so break of the high here. Break of the high here. 8:44. Does that make sense? 8:44. Where is it? 8:44. Break of the high. This doesn't make sense. It went to, dude, it went to 11 pips. Why I can't find it? Mike, help me out. I think it was this candle, right? Anyways, all right, so I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna put it in my journal. Sorry guys for the confusion here. Usually I leave it marked down on my screen, but 8:44. Anyways, so it went to 11 pips profit. It actually went to 11.5, if I'm not wrong. I got it here. Yeah, so it was right here. Oh, I could, here we go. Thank God I got this screen capture, right? 11.5. So now this is the 30-minute. This was on this candle right here. Yeah, here we go. So I took on the break of the high here. Here we go. Perfect. This candle. Got it. Woohoo! Got it. Finally. Sorry, guys. So yeah, so we got the rejection here of this golden zone, and took it on the break of the high right here of this 30-minute, expecting price to continue up for the NYSE coming up. So yeah. All right. So finally got it. Sorry about this. Woo, confusion, man. Hey, it's because I'm too thirsty. That's why. All right. So let's see here. 151, 625 from swing trade. Looks life neck on reverse head and shoulder break of. I'm not understanding the question. Hello, Simon. What's up? All right. So now let me switch my screen to this loss right here. So let me switch screen here. Stop share. Share screen. Screen number 2. There we go. Perfect. So hopefully you guys can see the Trixie now. Perfect. So yesterday, basically, let's go on the 1 hour. So yesterday, this was one attempt here. This thing is the swing trade idea. All those yellow blocks are golden zone that played out pretty nicely, by the way. So if you want to see if golden zone plays out, look at all those. They all played out very nicely, right? Bam, bam, bam. 3 play in a row. But I wasn't awake, but hey, it is what it is. So anyways, so price right here took the entry on the break of the low, and people's gonna say, okay, so this is something good, guys. Take notes. Sometimes people, when they don't see a wick at the bottom or the top, they're like, oh man, I'm not going to touch that trade, right? But there's the thing. This candle, if you look at this one, If you simulate this candle on a simulator, you'll see that it was pushing hard at the end of the candle, right? It was pushing really hard. And at like even at the last second, it was still pumping down and bam, it stopped. So that doesn't mean that there's less probability for price to continue down. It's just saying there's so much bearish pressure that it was still. So, I mean, if price is going back and up and up and back and blah, 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 and no wick, there's less probability for price to continue down, right? But in this case, I was like, yeah, I'm not scared of taking this entry right there. And I took the entry right there. Why? Because we got a resistance form in the golden zone, huge candle, engulfing candle, breaking down under this zone. I was like, all right, this is it. It's pretty good. It's gonna go. And it went to, how many pips was that? How many pips was that? This one went to 11 pips. Trigger my auto break even, and bam, straight to break even after. I was like, damn it, right? So yeah, so this is the second one this week. So the third one this week. So we also had another one like this, and yeah, this thing was shit. So anyways, hey, cheers, guys. Okay, so now let's close this. Can I close this? Boom. Let's talk about this one on the 16th, which was Monday. Monday was beautiful trade. All right. So this one was beautiful. So price is trending down. So if you look 4 hours, oops. So if you look 4 hours is trending down. I mean, daily is coming down also, right? So daily is coming down. Everything was down. Everything was bearish. So if you look at 4 hours, was coming down also. We had a nice break and retest here of this area. So this was perfect coming down. But unfortunately, I was not awake at this time. But let's see here what happened on the 1 hour. All right. So if you do your fib from there to there, oh, this is not the, I don't have the right level on this Trixie. So let's remove this because it's going to get people confused. How can I delete that now? I guess. Okay, perfect. So anyways, so if you do your fib from there to there, that's going to give you the golden zone right here on the 30-minute, right? So you're going to get the golden zone. So you had a resistance form, but I didn't took the entry based on that because it was, where was it? Here on the 1 hour. Perfect. So here was a perfect entry right here. And the reason why I didn't enter, it's because this bearish candle didn't broke previous low, respected previous high. It was a smaller body candle of this one. So this is why I didn't enter, right here. I know that Mark did enter right away. It was a nice entry, but I didn't took it because it was against my rules, right? But what happened now after that, this price was just bouncing back and forth in this area, right? And price finally broke. Price finally broke this zone right here. So when price broke this zone, this was 9 a.m. And we know that the 9:30 a.m. candle after that is going to get a lot of volume. This is the NYSC volume coming up around the 9 and 9:30. There's a lot of volume also. So what I did is play stop. Oh, actually, this one is interesting. This is the call that I want. This is the trade I wanted to take. Let's rewind that. This is the trade that I wanted to take that most of the students took live on our private Zoom, but I don't know what happened with my magic key. It gave me an error message. I was not able to place the trade. So, and it was moving down so fast. So I was like, all right, there's nothing I can do. By the time I press enter, I realized there's an error message. Price was already like 7 pips down. So I was like, oh, freaking yeah, shit. So it is what it is. I was going with like a 5 pips stop loss, which is nothing for, I was aiming for a 38 pips gain, right? And the reason why I was going up here, it was just above this zone, right? Yeah, so basically it went to full TP and runner ran like crazy. Actually, Mark, one of our students, his runner went to I think 80 pips or something. So yeah, so anyways, this was a beautiful trade, and this was on the dogtail setup. I knew for a fact I was not waiting for a huge tail to be formed on this trade, because this candle was pushing so hard at the end that I was like, all right, when this new candle is going to open, it might retrace up a little bit, but there's not going to be a big wick. It's not going to be a big wick because it's pushing hard, very, 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 very hard to the downside. So even if I don't have a big wick and we break the low, I'm getting the entry. And unfortunately, I think stop was too tight for the spread I had. I don't know what happened, to be honest. I have no clue what happened, but I was not able to execute. And this really sucks. But hey, it's part of the game, right? So, hey, what do you want me to do? Cry about it? No, just I was really mad, really sad, because yeah. But the cool thing is many students did make money out of that trade, so I'm pretty happy for that. Pretty happy for that, and was really proud of them. Yeah, so it went to nice profit. Mark entry was like up here, so it never got stopped out at break even. His runner ran like 80 plus pips. So yeah, so that was pretty good. So nice little trade here again on the dogtail setup around the NYSC. Man, that NYSC dogtail setup is sick. These days, that setup is giving me a lot of money. So hopefully it works out for you too. Hey, cheers, guys. Let's see if we have any questions. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Let's see. GJ Buy looking good now. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that. Let's do that because we have time. It's 6:30, so we're good. We got time. We're gonna take a look at that. We're gonna actually break down GJ for what's coming up. If price breaks and close above that minor resistance, all right, we'll take a look at it. Sorry, typo. Look back at the swing trade from yesterday. Looked like a reverse head and shoulder. Oh, I see. Maybe I'm gonna have to take a look at this. Don't forget to leave a like. Okay. I almost forgot to like. Mike, what's up with that, man? Yeah, that's wild, Mike. I'm a space cadet today. Up too late last night and then up too early to train in pre-New York. Yeah, Mike is. I don't know, man. Mike, I'm really disappointed, man. What's up with that? All right, so all right, so let's delete not this. I'm gonna keep this because I need to journal this, but let's delete all those zones. So you see, this was the plan for today. The plan was for price to come around this area, come down, form support around the golden zone, which was like kind of right here, and to continue up. But yeah, it is what it is. So let's remove all this. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. This is the golden zone on H4, so this is still good. This is still valid. All right, so now let's do a full breakdown. You guys ready for that? Yeah, man. Mike, don't never do this again, man. You know I'm not serious. You can beat the shit out of me, so. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right, so basically looking at a monthly now, because I might not be able to stream tomorrow morning. So so let's talk about this, what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow morning. So let's talk about the monthly. Monthly is coming down. We got a retracement here from the upside, right? So we know that if we place our fib from there to there on the monthly, price can retrace down all the way down to, what is it? 144, right? So yeah, it's a huge drop, but it's really possible. Or we might go to 382 here and a reject around the 148 major QP. That's something possible on the monthly time frame, right? So this is on the long term. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, right? So this is on the long run. But right now, I mean, we are bearish, but the overall trend is bullish, right? So don't get me wrong, the overall trend is bullish, but right now we are in a massive retracement down. So now looking at the weekly. So looking at the weekly right now, I mean, the weekly actually does look like what? Bam. And you have this neckline, right? Actually, this neckline right there. So yeah, so this shampoo pattern, but hey, I don't trade based on that. It's just a hint. So now looking at this here, this is the retracement on the weekly also. So let's see now, we are definitely coming down bearish right now. We broke previous low, respected previous high, so we should continue down here. Looking at the daily now, daily went up, create a new structure kind of, because we broke this high, but now we got a new low form because we got this low here lower than this one. So now we might coming back down again and retest this low. That's possible, but now we got a support form on the daily. We got a new daily candle coming up, so probably going to continue up now for the next day, which is now and tomorrow, because I mean, you all know that the day start now in Asian session. Cheers. So yeah, so basically this is a brand new candle opening up on the daily, but it definitely look like we're gonna go up to this golden zone. This is my thinking. Again, don't trade what you think, trade what you see. But what I see is price came down to 4 hour and now trying to retrace up to this area before coming back down. So we'll see. And especially if you look at the last 4 hour, this last 4 hour has no bottom wick. So again, it depends on how it was printing, but I'm pretty sure, I mean, especially on the 4 hour, if it doesn't have a bottom wick, there's less probability for price to continue down. But yeah, we'll see. But this is the H4 golden zone. So I'm expecting price to come up to this area before continuing down. All right, so let's do our zone here. All right, so let's do our newest zone. Let's change color here. Perfect. And get your question ready, guys. Get your question. Can be any questions. It can be gossip. It can be Forex related. It can be anything. It's Forex Talk Over Beer, man. It's relaxed. So no stress. No, don't be shy. Yeah, be cool with it. So, all right. So let's see here. Hashtag top tier, man. Top tier beer. Top tier analysis, man. Top tier brand. Shit. Oh, fuck. My Post Canada office. Because I'm shipping those hats right now. So if you guys want some, message me. But anyways, let's talk about this. Yeah, I completely forgot. Damn it. All right, let's move on to the 1 hour. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so looking at 1 hour now, this is worrying me a little bit, to be honest, because this was a pretty good zone here, the 250, because you know when price come up, we got the 250 level that can act as the overshot, which is the overshot can be an area that you can see reversals, right? So now price was coming up and got rejected at 250. So are we going to start rejecting right away to continue down? It's possible. It's possible. But right now I'm still looking at buys to go reach this golden zone before rejecting. But I want to check something. Where is the 382 level on this thing? Let's see. So on the 4 hours, the 380. Oh, okay. Wait a second. All right, so let's do this line black. Let's do this line black. So this is the 382 level on 4 hours. Interesting. So this is the 382 that got rejected, and also the 250 that got rejected. So we might just rejecting this area to continue down now. That's really possible. Really, really possible. And you know what? This morning at 9 a.m., I was really tempting to take a short because I was like, maybe I'm going to reject here at 250. But we actually took a buy and support. So what I want to see is what happened here. So price came up here, reject, form support right here. This is my newest zone. What happened after that? So what happened after that Price came up. Price reject this area. Okay, price broke this support. Oh, so if I was awake, I would be watching this or be in front of the chart, I'd be watching this. And now what I'm expecting from this is if we broke this, and let's say I want to take a short, I want to see break, retest, and go, right? So let's see. So now we got price coming down, and we know that if we break a major QP and we stay under, there's a big chance for continuation. So let's see now. Price is coming down. So what I'm expecting now, oh, wait a second. I want to see a 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute. Okay, perfect. So 30-minute. So we broke down, and 30-minute is coming back up and retesting this level. What time is it now? Oh, we are right on time. Okay, so we are right. We're live now. So price came down, broke this zone. Now we got a break and retest. So if we got a resistance form, especially that this 30-minute candle has no top wick. So if we got a resistance form, price came down here. Let's say we close under this area, like engulfing candle. There's a very good chance that price is going to come down now. But hey, so what I'm going to be looking at. I mean, I don't trade Asian session, right? But right now, it looks like we're just going to continue down. But I'm really expecting price to go up. So here's two scenarios. Two things I would be looking at if I was trading Asian session. Let's see. Oh, there's questions here. Oh, we can only see Trixie? Oh, guys, sorry, man. All this time? Shit. Really? Give me 1 sec. Shit. Sorry, guys. So sorry. Oh, damn, Sasha, read the chat, man. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. Thank God I had the Discord going on saying I didn't read it, but let's see here. Yo, Mike, that's what I'm okay. We're only seeing your Trixie. It's still on Trixie. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm going to move over Trader for live stream. Thank you, Mike. Damn, Sasha, read the chat. Sorry, guys. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm going to redo it. Hey, coach, not to be able to see your chart. Hey, Sasha, okay. Hey, cool. Sorry, Sasha. Trixie looking amazing. Oh, shit. Will there be a time you will bring your dogs to talk over beer too? Sure. Yeah. I'll do it right now at the end if you want. Yo, Sash. Oh, someone call Arthur and tell him to tell Sanchez one chart. Sasha not able to see the chart. You are analyzing on all the OG still going on. Hey, coach, we can only see Trixie. Damn it. Sorry. Everyone, make sure to tune in again on Friday for Forex Talk over Trixie chart. Seems this beer has a high alcohol. Yeah, man. Damn, this beer got me. Oh yeah, someone on Discord told him. Too funny. We finally got it. Hey, sorry guys. All right, so you know what? Let's do it again. So basically what I was saying is before doing my chart, so let's remove this, okay? Because I want you to understand. This is really important. So I'm gonna place my most recent zones, right? So on the 4 hour, yeah, this is my most recent zone. Hello, don't. Woo! The wifey scared the shit out of me. Wow. So you see, you heard the dog talking on First Talk Over Beer. Okay, so il y en a d'autres dans le top. Ou dans le. En tout cas, tu me diras si en. So what I like to do is put my most recent zone on H4, and after that, I go on H1, put the most recent zone, adjust it. So let's do replay here, because I want you to understand why I do this. So let's remove this, replay. So, all right. So what I like to do, let's say I got this, and I wake up and the price already down here. I still want to understand what happened when I wasn't there. Okay, so let's put this zone right here. So this is the support when I wasn't there. So now I want to understand what happened. So what happened is price came up, reject. All right, we finally broke this area. So now knowing that we broke the support, what I want to see is price to come down, retest the zone to continue down, right? So what happened is, yeah, we continue down, we broke and closed under 151 QP. So there's a big chance for price to continuation now. So price came down and finally came up. So now we are right. Yes, we are live right now. So anyway, so price came down and now price is coming back to retest. So if we stay under that zone, it's going to be a nice retest. So if you see a nice bearish candle closing under 151, even better if it's a bullish, not bullish, but engulfing candle, it's actually better. But if you see a nice bearish candle there after a nice break and retest, there's a good probability for price to continue down now. Because I mean, look at this black line here that I put. The black line is the 382 level on the fib on the 4 hours. So basically price went up here. Oops. So price went up here, reject the 250 area and the 382 level. So there's might be a good chance for price now to continue just down. But I was truly expecting for price to come up in this area before rejecting. So we'll see how it goes. And yeah, it is what it is. So let's see. Last question before I go. We need to go buy a new door. So, so let's see. The dogs even came to tell him the chart was wrong. Yeah. All right. So any question about that, guys, before I go? Hey, cheers. And for buys, oh yeah, let's talk about buys for a second. Let me just give you an idea for buys. So what I want to see, because this 30-minute has no top wick, right? So there's less probability for this candle now to continue up. So we might see this nice break and retest on 30-minute or 1 hour. But if price comes back above here, yeah, I might be looking for buys. But right now we got a break of structure on H1. So yeah, so now there's an H1 in 30-minute actually, because this low now is lower than this one. So we start to reverse. And 4 hours right now was in a retracement up. And like I said, we rejected this black line, which is the 382 level on the fib level. So by now we might just continue down, but tricky situation. This 4 hour has no bottom wick. So, but what you want to see is this 4 hour coming up here. And if I start rejecting, now you know this thing's going to start melting, right? So hopefully that helps you guys. Don't forget, tomorrow I'll see if I'm able to do it. This is not for sure, but I'm going to try my best. If not, I'm going to see you Friday morning and Friday night for Forex Talk over beer. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow morning, hopefully. If not, Friday morning. Take care, guys. Have a great evening.